I'm glad to see you on my channel. Who doesn't know, DIY phone cases is one of my persistent topics, so I left the playlist under the video. Today I show you two really interesting ideas, I hope you like them. And the breaking news. I have finally made the Instagram profile, so I'll be very glad to meet you there. And yes, I'll leave the link under the video as well. I drew it first on paper, that's my template. You can find it under the video. Put it on the table and put the phone case on top. First we contour it with a permanent marker. Then we remove the template. Great. Next, paint drops in the cup. Oh, and you need to follow this sequence. More dots for the strawberry. Perfect. Then paint the pink line following the cup's silhouette. Mix the pink paint with the white one, and using the light pink you paint ears. Waist are painted pink, with the couple being light pink. After about 15 minutes, add light pink finished white drops. Now let's shade all the other parts of the picture with the white, except for strawberry, of course. Now turn the case over and look how cool it looks. All these shades and shadows look very nice. And it makes no difference how hard you try it, in the end it's going to be neat anyway. Apply some glue to the case and stick this anti-stress bow, elastic and soft. Now look what you can do. When the case is on, there may be friction between the phone body and the layer of paint. After a while this may damage the picture. So let's take the case, then border it on the color paper and cut it. Place this part inside the case. Now it will serve much longer. And now, not just the case, it's combo! It has 4 viral ideas at once. Okay, you need a syringe. Remove this part. Cut where the scale ends. We also need a piece of plastic. I use this box. Apply a lot of glue over the edge and stick the plastic part. Push it firmly while sticking them together. Make sure to cover all possible gaps. Pour in some water inside and add in a bit of glycerin. And glitter. More glue to the edge and more plastic. Mold leaves from the air-drying clay and glue them. Nice! And I add some freeze ivy on sides. Simply roll in a thin thread from clay. And add more small leaves. Glue this part to the case and glue a bunny on top. Now chop some green threads into small pieces. Then apply some stationery glue to the case and sprinkle it with our fluffy material. If you wish, you can cut some felt flowers and glue them to the case. It's white and besides there's so much here. Pop socket, it's a liquid, anti-stress and fits well to spring and summer. Just great. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. See you soon and bye!